Nothing has recently launched the Nothing Phone 2, which offers enhancements to the Glyph interface, improved power, and better camera capabilities. Despite being nearly £300 cheaper than the iPhone 14, the two phones share similarities such as a dual camera setup, powerful performance, and long battery life. To determine which phone is better for you, let's examine 5 key differences. The Nothing Phone 2 features the Glyph interface, a unique and exclusive feature to the Nothing Phone family. It utilizes LED light strips on the transparent rear to provide visual alerts, sync with notifications and calls, and act as a softer fill light for low-light photography. On the other hand, the iPhone 14 maintains its familiar and premium design but lacks the Glyph interface. Another significant distinction lies in the operating systems. The iPhone 14 operates on Apple's iOS 16, known for its simplicity, vast app selection, and seamless integration with other Apple products. Meanwhile, the Nothing Phone 2 runs on Android 13 with Nothing's custom UI, Nothing OS 2.0. Nothing OS 2.0 offers a stylized visual experience, dot matrix-themed graphics, unique home screen widgets, and compatibility with all apps through its custom iconography. In terms of camera capabilities, the Nothing Phone 2 outshines the iPhone 14 with higher resolution sensors, a 50 megapixels main sensor, and a 50 megapixels ultra-wide sensor compared to the dual 12 megapixels cameras of the iPhone 14. The Nothing Phone 2 utilizes pixel binning technology to improve detail and light in certain scenarios. However, the iPhone 14's camera performance is highly regarded, particularly in low-light photography and image processing. Regarding performance, the Nothing Phone 2 incorporates the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, offering flagship-level power similar to phones released in 2022. While its exact performance is yet to be benchmarked, it is expected to perform admirably, although it may not surpass the A15 Bionic chipset found in the iPhone 14. Nevertheless, both phones offer ample power for everyday use. Lastly, the price difference may sway your decision. The iPhone 14 starts at £849 for 128 GB of storage, whereas the Nothing Phone 2 begins at £579 for 8 GB and 128 GB storage. Although the Nothing Phone 2 is pricier than its predecessor, the improvements justify the cost. Ultimately, your choice depends on your preferences. If you value the Glyph interface, customization options, and a lower price, the Nothing Phone 2 is the way to go. However, if you prioritize Apple's ecosystem, renowned camera performance, and are willing to spend more, the iPhone 14 is a solid choice. That's it for today. Tell us which phone you think is better in the comments below. Until next time, peace out.